Good morning all. This is Dr. B. Tulasi, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vignans Nirula, Institute of Technology and Sciences for Women. Today I am going to discuss about Big Data Computing and coming to the assignment. Coming to the first question, true or false? Apache HBase is column-oriented, no SQL database designed to operate on top of Hadoop distributed file system. The answer is true. A small chunk of data residing in one machine, which is part of a cluster of machines holding one HBase table, is known as region. In HBase, what is the number of mem store per column family? It's 1. In HBase, dash is a combination of row, column family, column qualifier, and contains a value and a timestamp. It is cell. HBase architecture has 3 main components: HMaster, region server, zookeeper. Sixth question, true or false? Kafka is a high-performance real-time messaging system. It is an open source tool and is a part of Apache projects. It's true. Kafka maintains feeds of messages in categories called topics. Right one, true or false? Statement 1. Batch processing provides availability to process and analyze data at rest. Statement 2. Stream processing provides availability to ingest, process, and analyze data in motion in real or near real time. Both statements are true. What exactly Kafka key capabilities? Publish and subscribe to streams of records similar to message queue or enterprise messaging system. Store streams of records in a fault-tolerant durable way. Process streams of records as they occur. All mentioned. Dash is a framework to import event streams from other source data systems into Kafka and export event streams from Kafka to destination data systems. Kafka Connect. Dash is a central hub to transport and store event streams in real time. Kafka Core. Dash is a Java library to process event streams live as they occur. Kafka Streams. What are the parameters defined to specify window operation? Window length, sliding interval. Consider the following data set. Here, they had given one data set and they asked the question, using the customers table, answer the following using Spark Streaming Fundamentals. Using the following pseudocode, find the rank of each customer visiting the supermarket. Value WSPEC3 is equal to window partition by name, order by date. Customers with column rank over WSPEC3 dot show. So coming to the answer is the fourth option and submit the answers. So this is regarding so you'll have a assessment submitted. Say this is the assignment, check once again. Today I want to tell one more important thing, that is regarding registration for the exam. So you have enrolled for the big data computing. So you are writing the assignments and I want to tell about the exam. Okay, you need to register for the exam. So exam registration is open now and you need to register. October 28th is the last date to register for the examination. After 28th, you can also register for the exam till November 2nd, but the fee is 1500. Till October 28th, the fees is 1000 rupees. And the date of exam is December 20th. And there is a fee waiver 50% for the following categories. Students belonging to SC/ST category, and if they have community certificate, then the fees is only 500. And the students belonging to PWD category and disability is more than 40%, the fees is 500. So Register before 28th to write the exam. Okay, you will get the certificate from IITs. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.